Do you recall video example 33a? There we were given the same function, f of t equals 10t minus 1.86t squared for the position of a particle, and we were given the same initial time, 1 second, t sub 1 equals 1 second, and the same final time, t sub 2 equals 1.5 seconds, and we were asked the same question: find the average velocity using the formula. In that case, in that previous video, the formula was f of t sub 2 minus f of t sub 1 over t sub 2 minus t sub 1. And we very easily found the value for the average velocity using that formula back in 33a. We're going to rework that problem, and we're going to use a new formula and show that it gives us the same answer. So going with the same t's as we had in 33a in the same function, we are going to find the average velocity using the formula f of a plus h minus f of a over h, where a will always be equal to the initial t value, which in this case will be 1, and h will always be equal to the difference between the t values, which in this case will be 1.5 minus 1. Okay, let's start. Step 1. Calculate v average using the given function. F of t equals 10t minus 1.86 t squared. Okay, so we're going to evaluate the function at a plus h and then at a and subtract those two. So here's the formula that we were given in the cloud. And now let's evaluate it. We'll get 10 parenthesis a plus h minus 1.86 times a plus h squared minus bracket 10a minus 1.86a squared all over h. Next, we're going to distribute multiplication by 10. Then we bring down negative 1.86 and then FOIL the a plus h times a plus h, and then get rid of the bracket for negative 10a plus 1.86a squared. Okay, now distribute the negative 1.86 across the parentheses, and we get 10a plus 10h minus 1.86a squared minus 3.72ah minus 1.86h squared minus 10a plus 1.86a squared all over h. Immediately we have terms canceling because we have positive and negative terms up here that cancel. And what's left is the 10h minus 3.72ah minus 1.86h squared over h. Now factor out an h across the top and then cancel that with the factor of h in the denominator, and you'll have your simplified version of this formula. It's 10 minus 3.72a minus 1.86h. Now, step 2. Now is where we substitute the h equals t sub 2 minus t sub 1, which in this case was 1.5 minus 1, which is equal to 0.5, that's our h, and replace a with t sub 1, which in this case is 1. Okay, take our v average, the simplified form, which was equal to 10, minus 3.7 times a, but replace a with 1, minus 1.86h, but replace h with 0.5. Simplify, you get 10 minus 3.72 minus 0.93, which gives you 5.35, which is precisely the answer you got in video 33a when you use a different formula. So this one works just as well, maybe a little bit harder to get it, but it's the same answer.